So this is the mini RC drift car, 1x64, and it has a remote control. Yeah, you can do drifting with it. It has other stuff as well in the box, so we'll unbox it, check it out and play with it a bit. And it's equipped with 4-wheel drive system. That's really nice, really interesting. I'm really excited to see how this goes. Right, so it has built-in battery that charges quickly via USB-C, which is good. Full charge should be in about 30 minutes and should give us about 20 minutes of playtime. We can also create our own Top Gear inspired designs with the interchangeable body kits included. So yeah, let's just open this up and see what's inside. There we go. This is some sort of manual. And here we are. Oh, it's smaller than I thought. Oh, this is actually another body. That's cool. This is the car. Wow, it's so tiny. This has 4-wheel drive and also, yeah, looks like it one motor drives all 4 wheels. And it also goes on the sides, and you have USB-C here, and then you can turn it on. And it also has lights. That's so freaking cool. I like it. And we can also change the body. That's really cool, man. I like it a lot. And we have all of this that we can put and go around them drifting. Look at this details. Repair in progress. That's really cool. What else do we have here? Some of this. Cones to drift around them. Really, really nice. What else is here? We've got a screwdriver to change the body if we want to. Of course, the cable to charge it, the USB-C, and the remote. And it looks like this one needs some batteries. Let's check out what kind of batteries do we need. To be honest, I'm really excited to play a bit with it, because I was thinking this is going to be bigger, but the fact that it's this small and it can run, I mean, look at this. It has a battery, it has a motor, it has a turning motor as well, everything inside. That's really cool, man. Yeah, we need 2 AA batteries, I believe. There we go, I found some batteries here. You need the AA batteries. So basically it goes like this, one there, one here. Tighten the screw right here, and you can already see it's turned on. Let's put some cones here, why not? And let's start driving the car, but this might be a bit slippery for these wheels, but let's see how it goes. It's on, then we'll turn this on, and it automatically connected. Look at this. That's really nice. Whoa! Yeah, this surface is a bit slippery. But otherwise it's very much cool, very, very nice to drive. I like it. As you can see here, look, really nice. It does make a noise here, but that's okay when you're playing. I'm out again. It is a bit hard to control when you don't know how to control it from here, because I'm used to like this kind of like a different controller, but it is really nice. Let's also see what kind of accessories we get in this bag right here for this car, because we have quite a lot of them for us to drift around. We have another type of cone, this, which you can put it together and make like a wall. So we have 2 walls. Then we have this that I seem to have broken it, but it normally doesn't come broken. I think I stepped on it. And we have another wall, a red one, that connects together. And this that can open, which is great. Working in progress. This fence as well, so we can put this work in progress. We also have this small thing. It is really nice. You can make like a scene, and then you can start drifting around. And there we go. We destroyed the fence. Nice. Let's actually try and change the surface. Let's go. Look at this drift. Wow. That's really nice. Look at this. That's really, really nice. Really cool drifting, man. And you can see the lights as well. So if you want to have fun like this, just get one of these cars. It's really nice.